Hello everyone. What you can see over here is our advanced services booth. And one of the advanced services that I can explain to you is what we call Industrial Data Science Service. So with Industrial Data Science Service, we are going to help you on your journey to look at data and to generate value out of data so that you can take action and improve your machine or your factory or the quality of your products coming out. So what we've learned over the years is that we should not start in the advanced part of data science yet. So we first want to go with you 2 steps back and do what is so-called data scan. A data scan is a step where we are going to look at the data that you have available, but also, and that's very important, we are going to get to know your people. So your people will work with my people and to look at the data and get to know each other. If this gives satisfactory results, we can go to step number 2. Step number 2 is what we call machine sanity check. So we will be looking at the data coming out of a machine together with your experts and the Omron experts that know all about industrial data science. And we're going to look at if the data coming out of the machine, if that makes sense to you. And what we've learned over the years is that this sometimes gives very surprising results. And with these surprises, you are going to improve your machine. Then, if that is satisfactory, then we go to the 3rd step. This 3rd step is about predictive maintenance or predictive quality. This is where we will go deeper into the machine together with your domain experts, and we will add functionality to the machine that can do this prediction. And by that, make sure that the uptime of your machine is excellent, or the quality of your product is always excellent as well. So come and have a look, have a chat with our experts, and we'll show you how we do it. Thank you for your attention.